Good morning, my dear friends. Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, as of we have seen so many lessons for your class, and for higher class also. So, we have finished grammar part and all, and for you also almost grammar part has been finished, and very few students are coming to school and getting corrected. So, it's very sad to say that most of you are not reading classwork and not bringing the things to the school. Okay, so but it's our part of duty to conduct the class and send the notes. So for the last lesson also I have sent notes to you all, and today I am going to take a small poem. So hardly it will take 10-15 minutes. It's very interesting poem. The poem name is Earth Song. Here, as you see in the picture, you can see there is a tree, okay, and there is a temple, and on the temple only the tree is standing. So here the earth is saying, giving the earth the message to the human being, mine and yours, mine not yours. The earth is saying, the nature is saying to the human being that here whatever is mine, that is yours, and sometimes whatever is mine, not yours. So earth endure, stars abide. Okay, here the endure meaning is continue to exist for the long time, but the earth is saying that I may be living long life, but as human being you don't have that much of lifeline. Okay, abide means stay to live one place except and according to the law. Here the thing is that as a human being you can move to any places as you like, but as a earth, as a tree, as a temple, as a building, as a nature, so we cannot go further, and means we cannot shift the places. Okay, shine downs in the old sea, shine down in the old sea. The sea, in nature is saying that, so when there is a sunset, when there is sun arises, so definitely there is chances of light in the dark. Okay, old are the shores, but where are old men? So if I am old, think that if I am a tree now, I am old, so I can live 100 years, 200 years, 300, sometimes 500 trees, 500, more than 500 trees also we can see. But it is saying that the as like as means as goes time goes, so we may be live long, but as human being you have a certain limit, you have the ending point of your life. But if you want to compare me to the earth, so where are the men who are going to compare with me? I who have seen much, such have I never seen. Okay, here the earth is saying I have seen so many things, so many animals, birds, okay, human creature of God, okay, water animals, okay, forest animals, flowers, okay, so many things I have seen, such I never see. So you may not see in your lifetime, like that it is saying. Okay, so it is like that, mine and yours, mine not yours, earth adores, stars abide, shine down in the old sea, old are the shores, but where are old men? I who have been seen much, such have I never seen. Like this first paragraph says. The intention of first paragraph here is, my dear students, here the earth is saying that I have seen so many things, I have been seeing so many things, but as a human being, so your life is very less. So in your lifetime, you may not see what I have seen in my lifetime. The lawyer's deed ran sure. The lawyer she's Dan sure. Deed in the sense a legal document that you sign, especially one that prove that your house or building or piece of land. Here, the earth is saying to human being that as a human being you can go to lawyers. Hmm? You can make an agreement, you can make a deed that this much property is belongs to me, that much property belongs to me. But as a nature, as a earth, earth, the whole globe is my property, and there is no need of registration. In tell to them and to their heirs, who shall succeed without fail forevermore. Sometimes you may win, sometimes you may get property, sometimes you may not get property. If any issues is there, you may spend lot of your lifetime. But as earth, as a earth, so I don't have to fight with anyone, I don't have to quarrel with anyone, I don't have to make agreement with anyone. I am the sole person here. So the whole globe is mine only. The lawyer's deed ran sure in trial to them and to their heirs, who shall succeed without fail forever. Here is the land shigi with wood. Okay, so shigi is nothing but long and united. So overgrow or negotiation. So here the land is so much of big. Okay, if you are having land, you can grow anything, you can construct anything, you can sold, you can give to anyone from your that. For that you need to sign, you need to agree, you need to send to the, you need to appoint someone to be sold. But as a earth, I don't have any kind of this assistant, I don't have to go to anyone. This whole earth is belongs to me. Whenever I feel, wherever I feel, I can go, and whatever changes I can do, that is none of, nobody is going to come and ask me. Hmm? With it old valley, mound and flood. So here the mount is nothing but a large pile of earth stone. So if there is any stone in your property or land, it takes time to remove you. But here for me it is not like that. So I can remove at any time. But the heritors, okay, heritors means if you sell a property, if you buy a property, there is always something in return that somebody is going to give for you. If you sell the land, so definitely the person who buys, that person is going to give lot of things to you. Flood like the flood fame, a lawyers and the laws and the kingdom clear swept here from. Okay, so here the thing is that if any person takes property from your end, that person may take next once, and if any one of you have seen the things once again, here the thing is that again you need to buy from others. So if you have sold the property, you can get it from one by giving or by paying something. But for me, if I don't have any intention, I don't have any purpose, I don't need also to sell or buy anything. So wherever is there, wherever earth is there, wherever water is there, wherever nature is there, forest is there, so all this is belongs to me only. So when I wish, when I want, so I can go and spend my time. So this earth is saying that by singing a song that this whole globe is belongs to me, and there is only a small